those power tools, Matthias?
What's that one do? Press it. Press it. You did it. No. You don't like that one? That one's fun. How about this one? Oh, that one. Can you squeeze that one too? Squeeze that one. There's the trigger right here.
I just like how we're filming this. There's some Bud Light in the background.
Wow! Do it again. Do it again.
That's loud.
Do it again. You want to do it again?
Matthias, what does Bob the Builder say?
Yes, can.
Yes,